Have you ever wondered why people do what they do? Why someone you love can hurt you? Or why you sometimes sabotage your own happiness? It's not random. It's deeply wired into how the human mind works. And today, we're going to decode that psychology. This is raw love psychology, and what you'll hear today might just change how you see the world and yourself forever. 1. Conscious versus subconscious mind. Let's start with something powerful. Only about 5% of our daily behavior is consciously chosen. The rest? It's automatic, subconscious, habitual. Think about it. Most of your reactions in relationships, the people you feel drawn to, the way you respond under stress. It all comes from patterns you didn't even know were there. These patterns are built from childhood experiences, trauma, love, rejection, and belief systems. And they sit below the surface, silently running your life. To understand human psychology is to shine a light on that hidden operating system. 2. The psychology of behavior. People don't act out of logic. They act out of emotions, and then justify it with logic later. That's why even highly intelligent people can make emotional decisions in relationships, business, or conflict. Here's the kicker. Humans crave certainty, connection, and significance, and they'll chase those feelings even if it hurts others or themselves. That's why manipulation works. That's why people stay in toxic love. And that's why self-awareness is the first step to breaking cycles. 3. Attachment and defense mechanisms. Psychology teaches us that our attachment style formed in childhood shapes how we love as adults. If someone was neglected or abandoned early on, they might grow up fearing closeness. Or the opposite, they might cling to people who aren't good for them just to avoid being alone. Then come defense mechanisms: projection, denial, gaslighting, emotional withdrawal. They're not just toxic behaviors. They're survival tactics of an unhealed mind. But when you become aware of them, you stop repeating them. That's the power of psychology. 4. Understanding others without losing yourself. Understanding human psychology doesn't mean tolerating bad behavior. It means seeing people clearly, with empathy, but also with boundaries. Everyone is operating from a story you can't always see. But that doesn't mean you allow manipulation, lies, or abuse. A psychologically aware person knows this truth. Not everyone deserves access to your inner world. If you want better relationships, deeper confidence, and true freedom, study the human mind, not just others, but your own. Because the more you understand why you do what you do, the more power you have to change it. This is the real path to healing, growth, and emotional mastery. Subscribe for more raw and real insights from Raw Love Psychology, because the mind is messy, but you deserve to understand it.